Today, the Federal Trade Commission and the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or NHTSA, held an important and exciting workshop to examine privacy and security issues posed by autonomous and connected cars. I'm Kim Kochis, litigation partner in our New York office, and with me today is Michael Bahar, the U.S. leader of our global cybersecurity and privacy practice. Michael, what type of privacy and security challenges do you think will need to be addressed with connected cars?
Rest assured, there will be many. Look, highly automated vehicles are quickly becoming a reality. And what came out of the conference is how much of the future is already here. Automatic emergency braking, lane centering, etc. But as with every technological leap forward, especially those that rely on processing an immense amount of data, two concerns come to the fore: privacy and cybersecurity. So let's take privacy first. Vehicle information can tell a lot about a person. Even if the particular data is not in and of itself PII, vehicle information can tell you where a car has been, where it may be going, how fast it's traveling, and also what type of driver is operating at. Couple that with license plate information or a bunch of other data, and you can start to get a picture of who this person actually is, and a lot about what this person is doing day to day. There are some obvious privacy implications here, and many in the conference directly addressed the concerns up front, which was very good to see. Second, let's turn to cybersecurity. The latest attack shows that cybersecurity threats are not limited to traditional consumer or financial data-rich targets like banks or hospitals or insurance companies. Hackers are increasingly willing to target any company for which they can steal valuable trade secrets, cause disruption, or extract ransom. And these attacks can cause physical harm. That cannot be overstated enough. Attacking a car or disabling it can lead to injury and loss of life. Taking it over can also weaponize that vehicle and turn it into a guided missile. So I was pleased to see that the speakers directly confronted the cybersecurity issues as well.
I agree. These are definitely topics that need to be addressed head on. Who do you see as the potential stakeholders when we're talking about security issues in connected cars?
Certainly the automobile manufacturers and the insurers, as well as the regulators. And something I found really impressive, and here both the regulators like NHTSA and the automotive industry themselves have pushed this, is incorporating cybersecurity at the design phase, which I'm sure the insurers are also fully behind. Cybersecurity, to be effective, cannot be an afterthought. The automotive industry is once again proving a leader in revolutionary technology and safety because they are doing both simultaneously. I'm often troubled how everything is first to market but last to security, especially with the so-called Internet of Things. The auto industry and the regulators are taking a much better approach, in my opinion, and it should be a model for other industries. They still have to work out vulnerabilities born of or through aftermarket modifications, but that is a larger cyber problem that many other industries need to work out as well. And my hope is that the auto industry and its regulators will also prove a leader in this too.
One final question for you, Michael, and that's one that we get a lot, which is, are there any security standards that currently apply to connected cars?
Many. And I think what we need to realize is that security is another word for safety, after all. So the safety standards that already applies to cars will keep applying regardless of the technology that is implemented. As the representative from one of the regulators said, safety is their #1 priority. And it's important that standards, safety standards, security standards remain tech neutral. Not only because technology changes faster than law and regulation, but also because you don't want to unduly stand in the way of innovation. That said, there is certainly a role for a more uniform approach. Typically, states have had a very strong role to play in setting automobile standards. Too many prescriptive standards is also something to be careful to avoid.
I couldn't agree more. And thanks, Michael, and thank you for watching this video. For more information on cybersecurity and connected cars, please contact either of us or visit our website at eversheds-sutherland.com. Thank you.